Yo, what's going on, everybody? About to show y'all a quick video on how to install an oil catch can on the 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. It's pretty cold out here where I'm at. I'm in Illinois, so I don't know where y'all at, but as y'all can see, I got snow. The basis should be a pretty easy job. I done watched a few other videos with other people putting it on, so it should be fairly easy. So basically, this is supposed to sit in like this. We're gonna basically redirect this hose into the oil catch can. Basically, the first thing we got to do is get this piece off right here. Basically, stick a flat tip screwdriver up in here, pry this off. I'm gonna do that, and then stick a flat tip up in here, pry this rubber part off right here. We're gonna do that too, and then we got to get this rubber piece off as well. Hopefully this is a good angle. See, real simple. Get that piece off. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this rubber piece off right here. Let's see. All right, so basically what you want to do is you want to take this piece, just stick it up in here. Get it in there. We're going to turn this a little bit. All right. All right, y'all, once you got the black rubber pieces on, once y'all got these two pieces on right here, what you can do is you can go ahead and install the hose onto this right here, because this is how this is gonna go. It's gonna basically plug into here and go into this, and then there's another hose. Actually, this one goes into this, and then the shorter hose plug into right here. So I might have to cut it a little bit because it's a little access. And then I already put the little screw in here. All you gotta do is just tighten that screw up. Mine was a 11 millimeter. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish tightening this up right quick, and then cut any pieces I need to cut to fit this. All right, y'all. So this is what I did so far. You do gotta go ahead and basically put these little end cap pieces on. So just go ahead and put that on, and then that's gonna go ahead and go on right here. Then I'm gonna take another end cap piece. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, it's getting a little dark on me. But basically, all you have to do is put these black end pieces on. This is already plugged in, plug it into the oil catch can, and then I put my black piece on up here, and then black clamp piece on here, and then plug this into the oil catch can. Hold on, let me see if I can do it one 1 second. And that's all it pretty much is to it, y'all. And then just go ahead and tighten this screw up. I had it, I left it untightened a little bit so this would be able to move while I put the pieces on. Go ahead and tighten that screw up, and that's pretty much it. So we're pretty much done. This is how it looks when it's all installed and finished. Like I said, basically connect this to this piece right here. This originally came like this. This originally came with this piece plugged into here, going into this. Basically disconnect that, run your bigger holes into right here, little holes right here. Just twist it this way. It was originally facing that way. And then tighten your screw up right here. This actually is a 10 millimeter. I said 11 earlier in the video. This actually a 10 millimeter right there. So you basically go ahead and tighten that up. Make sure it's nice and sturdy. Double check everything, and that's pretty much it. Red oil catch can. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. I got it off eBay. They had a sale going for around like $105. It was a couple different colors. You know, I think the red and black look nice. So I'll leave a link in the description. I think they got these on Amazon as well, but this is pretty much how it looks once it's all said and done, guys. Make sure if y'all found this video helpful, y'all give me a like. Go ahead and subscribe. We definitely got more videos coming soon, doing different things and stuff like that. So until next time, I'll holler at y'all.
You want to talk my shit ass nigga? Talk my shit one time.
It looks like you lost another one.
Pop a Oreo, it got me turned. I remember days when I was broke, I had to work. Dealing with the